Hello everybody. My name is Elijah. Welcome to 85 Studios. We're going to be trying something new here. I'm following a tutorial here on Beamng Drive, and I have the Dune Kicker here, TT1 Unlimited. It is actually, I believe this is a stock truck, but I really do like this truck. This, as you can see, we have done some custom paint here. We just basically turned everything black. And then we've got our graphics turned up, so we've got some reflections and shadows and really nice looking stuff here. Okay, so what we're actually going to be doing here is I have a tutorial here, and it's actually on a forum, and we're actually looking at, it's a Reddit, it's on Beamng Drive forum, and what they're telling me is I'm wanting to, okay, so my goal here is to create some custom, they are decals for this truck. And what we want to do is we want to, okay, so it's telling me I need to put my PNG files here, Steam library, Steam apps, common, Beamng Drive, GameEngine.zip/art/dynamic decals /textures. Okay, so let's see if we already have a a logo or a PNG image created here. Let's go here and we want to we probably want to go to pictures. See if we can find an 85 Studios logo. Okay, something that looks kind of nice, something that's not gonna look you know, messed up or anything like that. These are all 85 Studios logos. Let's grab our just our basic one. I'm not sure how big they have to be. That is going to be an ICO. Why is it giving me an error message about a picture, a printer? I didn't say to print it. Okay, so we got a PNG version here. So where do we want to drop this? I'm going to move this over. This is Windows 11, so bear in mind it may be a little bit different. I'm sorry, I can't English today. Let's see if we can find that particular folder. So let's go. Okay, so we do have the PNG image we want to use, so we want to go Steam library. I believe my Steam library is on D. There, Steam library. Sorry guys, I'm not good at this. Steam apps, common, Beamng.drive, Beamng.drive, Game Engine, and that's where we dead end because I don't see Game Engine. Hold on. Okay, so it was a zip. GameEngine.zip. Okay, so we're going to have to open this with something. We're probably going to want to open it with WinZip or... Well, that works too. WinRare. I forgot I had this on here. I never use it. Okay, and then we want to add the files to the PNG file. We want to add it to art, dynamic decals, and then textures. Dynamic decals, textures. Okay, so we've got all these PNG files. But then we also have, do not modify the original files, use the user data folder, art dynamic decals textures. Wait. Okay. 0.31 art dynamic decals textures. Okay, so these are the original files. Hold on. So they're telling me to modify a different folder. So it's going to be, let's go back. Dynamic decals textures. See, I don't see. Okay, do not modify. Okay, I don't have an art directory for every 0.31 directory. I guess I'll have to choose the option in the game first. Make the new folders yourself. It will work just the same way. Reddit. Killing me, buddy. Alright, we're going to go ahead and we are going to modify the, we are going to modify this. Okay, so let's just open this up. It doesn't matter if we add something to it, probably. It's just going to matter if we delete something, because if we add something, then it can find it. But if we delete something that it's looking for, then it'll probably cause an error message. So let's go here, and we're going to go dynamic decals, and we're going to go textures, and we're going to do this. And then we're going to go ahead and add our 85 Studios logo from here. Let's go .png. Let's go copy, and then we're just going to go paste. Let's see if we can. It'll let us paste it. Okay. Let's go up one and paste. Will it let us do it? I know what we can do. We can just drop it, drag it and drop it. Let's try that. Okay. That means I'm going to need more screen room. What? What is going on here? Okay, let's minimize that. Let's go back to WinRAR. See if we can just drop it. Can we just drop it? Yes. Archive name and parameter. Looks like we can do that. And what was that? No. We don't want to do that. We don't want to do that because we're taking it out of pictures if we do that. We need a way to paste it in, which would be here. Let's just add it from here, here, and we want to go. Look at all this lovely art I created for the channel. Beautiful. This is a PNG. Let's do this. Okay. And then we want to go okay. And let it do its thing, which it might take a little. Whoa, it didn't take it all. Beamng is running in the background. Okay, so now we have the, should be at the very back, I would think. Wait, is it 85? Okay, so it'd be at the front. Right here. Let's rename this, and we'll put hyphens, because everything else has hyphens in here. Otherwise we might get an error message. Let's see if this works. I'm still not sure how we're going to call to it though, and by that you'll see what I mean in game. Okay, So, decals. Load. No available files. Where is it looking for the decals? That's the problem, because this should list somewhere else where I can drop my decal, and it would be right here, and it would show up as an available file. Create new. I'm learning this as I'm recording it. Okay, so add decal. Hold on. I'm learning this as I go. I think we're just making a regular decal though, so this isn't going to work. We want to... We definitely want to put that there. That, because that's a new layer. No. Let's delete that. Okay. There's got to be another place that it looks for decals. Undo. Well, redo. Okay. We deleted it. Okay. Let's exit that and decals.json. I wish I could find where this folder is. Let's save it and then do a search for it. And we can actually come back over here. I'm just going to make this a little easier. I am going to cut the video at a certain point and then find where these are saved at, and then we can go from there, okay? And let's restart Beamng, which might take a second. We're just going to launch it. Okay. Let's go to our garage. Hey, nice little Impala. That's kind of cool. Customized stuff. This may take a second, because I've got a lot of things running at the same time here, and my PC is custom built 2017. And I turned off face cam because I really don't want to let's select our vehicle here. What is okay? Yeah. Okay, so now it should be there under config. Let's find our vehicle though, the one that we wanted. And that's going to be this guy. Oh, nope, this guy. Well, now we've just made everything freeze. That's a rock crawler. Let's go back. Come on. Slowly, slowly. It's because I have this other program, OBS, running. It's gonna be this guy. And I actually like, I believe it was this one. Yeah, I think it was this one. Does it let me? No. Performance, 145 miles an hour, gasoline, rear wheel drive, automatic, NA. Propulsion, ICE, rear wheel drive, automatic, induction, not applicable. Top speed, 120. Maybe it was this one that I was looking at, but I liked the light bar. Maybe I customized that on there, if I remember right. 141, 145. It was this one. Okay. Let's load this car into our garage, and we'll see if our decal... let's do our paint first. We're going to drop this down to black. Yeah, I remember this, because it had all this on it. I hated that. Let's make all this black. Black, black, black. Paint 3. Black. Get rid of it. Okay. And then we're going to go decals. And yes. And create new. Okay. And we're shiny and black, and we have no other decals on, and we want to go... Let's go... Okay, so we want to come over here, pop this back up, and it gives us specific instructions. Then turn on Beamng drive, choose garage, then choose decals, create new, add a layer, and choose decal. Now you can set your custom decal by clicking on decal preview on the left from the saturation slider. I think it should work. Sorry, but I can't make a video. Alright, well, that's fine. Okay, so we go add layer, and we want to go at my menu is here. I'm supposed to be in full screen, but this is not going away, my menu. Hold on a second. Let's see if we can do something with our taskbar. Let's go here. Okay. We'll go add layer. There we go. We're going to go fill. No. We were supposed to go decal. We were going to go... let's see if we can see what we're doing here. Okay. Saturation. There's no real button to preview it. That's the thing. Oh, I see. Logo. Let's see if our logo actually shows up in the list here. It may, or it may not. Letter noise, various, others. I don't see my logo. There it is. Hey, I found it. Okay. Yes. So it does show up here. Let's turn him around. So this does work. Let's punch him right here. And let's get another one. And we'll put him at, we gotta turn it here. And then we're gonna get another one and put him right here. Well, I can't because there's an issue. There we go. It's the way the camera was. Let's put him here. Okay. And let's just, for good measure, see if we can put one here somewhere. Let's scale it a little bit. Let's go down, 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 down. There we go. Alright, and we're going to go back, and we're going to go... what does change view do? I'm going to go exit, and we're going to save it, and we're going to go there. And we're going to go decals. We're going to go here, and we're going to go... Is that the one? No, I don't think that was the one. Yes, maybe it was. Okay, so now we've got our logo on our truck, and that's pretty cool. There isn't any surface here that I can really add one to, or it'd be cool to add one, but yeah, let's take it out on one of our tracks and see if we can get it to do anything or play around with it, because that's just really neat. Let's exit that and exit. Oh, it doesn't. Fatal LUA error string. Okay. It doesn't like my PNG. Alright. Load file. I'll try it again. Uh-oh. Okay. Skin editor. It does not. Okay. It's gonna be this guy. Let's fill decal, 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 decal. Let's go back. Oh, this is just not working for some reason. I haven't saved this one yet because it will not let me save it. It does this to it. But this is why we're having the issue. It's something to do with the paint. It's something to do with the paint. What if we did something like... Yeah, it's something to do with the paint. The paint covers the decals. Yeah, that's what's going on. The paint covers the decals. And it does this. Fatal LUA error. I know a little bit about codes, so... See, it's supposed to do this. It's supposed to look like this. I don't want to load and I don't want to save. But it is going to make me because I don't have a choice. Alright, let's go here, load. Nope. See, it's glitching. It is glitching. Badly. See, it should not be doing this. This should load the file, and it should stay, but it is not. Just like that. But then it glitches right here. It's frozen. And then it comes red again, and yeah, this is where we're running into a problem. Okay. I'm gonna restart Beamng since we have the file saved and see if that will help. See if we can reload it that way. Let's go up here. I'm gonna quit. And actually, I'm gonna look up this error message. Fatal LUA error. Nope. Okay. Let's just try restarting it and see if that maybe will help. Because we've got it saved. And launch. This is how I troubleshoot things, guys. Sometimes it takes a little while. Okay. Let's go garage. If I can save the car, if it'll let me save the car with the skin on it, then we'll be good. Because then we can drag it out and we can put it on whatever map we want. That'd be great. But I don't know if it's going to let us do that because it keeps doing that fatal LUA error. So, yeah. Kind of a pain in the butt. But, let's go find it here. And I'm sorry if there's echo with the game and all that. I'm not wearing headphones right now. I've just got my mic on. So you may hear a echo because it's using one sound device to play it, and then it picks it back up through my mic. So I'm not real worried about that. If it was something where I was worried about audio, then I would probably be having the audio come through my headset. That way it doesn't pick it up in my mic, and I'd have a mic that's closer to my head. That way you could hear me, but not the game through my mic. This guy. Yeah, this is the biggest problem here. Yep. Oh, no, that's not what we wanted. I hit the wrong button. That's not what I wanted. Okay, exit out, decals, okay. Exit. Okay. Decals. There we go. And load file. Instead of clicking the wrong button. Now it should show up with the, yeah, and that should be right. However, is it going to exit for me and keep the color? That's the problem. We've already got it saved. Let's exit. You gonna glitch? Yep. Sure as shit. Okay. Yeah, we can't do it, man. I don't know what I can do to fix this. This is not gonna let me do it. Didn't even give me the fatal LUA error or whatever. Let's see. Yeah. That's unfortunate, because that means we can't customize our truck. We cannot get it to stay. It will not stay. That sucks, but it will not stay. When we exit this, it's done. It goes away. It is done. So, Beamng, hey, Beamng, do you think maybe you might possibly be able to fix this issue? Because it would be really cool if I could put my logo on my truck the way that it's supposed to. And I've done some research and looked online for it, and I cannot find anything on it. I will continue to research it to see if there's any workaround for it or anything like that. But yeah, so far so bad. Anyways, Elijah here with 85 Studios. Thank you all so much for watching. You have a great rest of your evening, day, night, wherever you are, whoever you are. God bless you, and thank you for being a part of the channel. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Help it grow. I know I haven't been on here a whole lot, but every once in a great while, I will make a video for you. I know we picked up one and we dropped one, and we've up to 250 some odd subscribers. Guys, thank you so much for following the channel and subscribing to the channel. You have a blessed rest of your day, and we'll be back later with something else. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye!